Is it safe to go to the dentist during COVID? I know you guys have wondered this because you've certainly asked me, and I think a lot of people understand that, okay, if you have a dental emergency, well, it makes sense, go get help, no problem. But what about those routine cleanings, those 6-month checkups and things like that? Should you still be going to the dentist, even though we're literally in the middle of a COVID pandemic? I have answers courtesy of a friend of mine. That's right, Dr. Bridget White. She is a dentist. And I wanted to get the inside scoop of what dentists say about what you should be doing right now with your dental care during COVID. Dr. Bridget White is a family and cosmetic dentist. She practices in the Washington, D.C. metro area. Her practice in particular is in Alexandria, Virginia. Go to brightwhitesdental.com for more information about her practice. And then for healthy smile tips, you can go to her website at drbridgetwhite.com. So the question is it safe to go to the dentist, guys? Well, let's just start with that. I asked her, is it safe? And she says, yes, it is safe to go to the dentist. And what she says is, COVID-19 presents many new obstacles. We certainly know this for going to the dental office too. But she says it's important for you to maintain your routine dental frequency to prevent emergencies such as dental pain, swelling, infection, and things of that nature. So my dentist friend says, y'all need to get to the dentist. That is what she's saying. So the other thing I wanted to make sure I knew was, okay, just specifically, Dr. Bridget White, I should say, what about these routine cleanings? Like, okay, you mean go for the routine cleanings? That's what I wanted to make sure. And she says, so long as you are not experiencing COVID-19 symptoms, you should keep your regular dental cleanings and checkup exams. Y'all, you heard it from a dentist, okay? A dentist is saying keep those regular checkup exams. Okay, so now I also asked her a few other things. I said, what are things that your dentist should be doing to keep you safe? Because I want to know, like, what should we be expecting when we go to the dentist's office? And she said there's a number of things. There are guidelines put forth by the American Dental Association as well as the CDC, which is excellent. Some things may include being contacted by phone before your appointment to make sure that you don't have any COVID-19 symptoms or that you don't have a fever, things like that, which makes a lot of sense. We're doing this at doctor's offices too. She says social distancing measures when you arrive, needing to wear your mask, which is super important. Temperature checks when you guys arrive, also reducing waiting room capacity and or not having you wait in a waiting room. You know, those are things that we're doing in the doctor's office as well, so that makes sense. And one thing that she said that I think is super interesting is she says that you may notice the presence of high volume suction machines and air purifiers that are helpful in reducing aerosols that are commonly generated during dental appointments, which I think that's super interesting. So something I certainly wouldn't have imagined, but I think it's really great to know what dental offices are doing. And she also says that dental teams are going to be donned head to toe in protective gear. That's things like personal protective equipment, face masks, shields, safety goggles, head coverings, gowns, you name it, they are going to be donned head to toe and stuff. Guys, I think this is actually really super helpful. And Dr. Bridget White, thank you so much for this. In conclusion, the only time Dr. White says that you should postpone your dental appointment is if you're experiencing COVID-19 symptoms or if you have risk factors or things like that, exposure to somebody with COVID, etc. And certainly talk to your dentist and or your doctor about what it's safe for you to be doing actually during this time, especially if you have questions or you want to know for your particular situation. But guys, I really hope this is helpful. Dr. Bridget White, thank you so much for your help answering these questions. Everybody has been wondering, is it safe to go to the dentist or not? And you have helped us out. Guys, please share this video with others because I know everyone's wondering. Also, please like and follow my page for daily health videos. And for those who send stars, you know I answer your questions first. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. Thank you.